Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Rajat Anand, and I have done my BTech in biotechnology from NIT Raipur. In 2019, I graduated and I appeared in GATE 2019, in which I scored All India rank 23. And after that, I pursued my master's in biochemical engineering and biotechnology from IIT Delhi, and currently I'm doing my PhD in biochemistry from Leibniz Institute. So yeah, any questions regarding GATE biotechnology, or like how to prepare, and like any specific doubt that you have, you can just ask in the chat, or you can just unmute yourself and you can ask.
Rajat, you can read the chat box. Vidisha,
Uh,
yeah.
okay. So like the first question is how to revise full syllabus. So to revise, I would say, like, first you have to study from the main textbooks that you might be aware of, the standard textbook for all the different subjects. So to revise, I would say, like, you can prepare notes when you were like reading the subject for the first time. You can prepare some short notes, uh, and it will be better like as soon as you start giving tests, like there you can give, like, start with the subject wise or topic wise tests, and after that, if you feel confident, you can start with the full length test. Like, I would say, like, at least one test, one full length test you should give per day. Like, you have to like sit in your room, like, silently, and like set a timer for 3 hours, and you have to like give it in the examination conditions. So, like, I would say, like, what helped me is giving like mock tests, both topic wise as well as full length tests, like, well in advance. So the more you will give, the more you confident you will feel regarding your preparation. So yeah, giving tests is much more important. Coming on to the second question, what is the right time to complete the syllabus? So, generally, the exam is between February and March. I don't know the dates for 2025, but generally it is between February and March. So I would say, you should complete the syllabus and like revise it by the December or November of 2024. You should like complete reading everything and prepare some short notes, and like revise it by just going through your notes and everything. And from January, you should only focus on tests, like no need to like revise anything or study anything at the last time. Just focus on the tests. And how to prepare for numerical type questions. So generally a lot of weightage is from the bioprocess engineering section, where there are a lot of numerical questions everywhere, as you might have seen from the last year's GATE papers. So for that, I would say, like, you can go through the standard textbooks. For example, Bioprocess Engineering by Pauline M. Doran. That is a nice book, and it has a lot of numerical questions. And another bioprocess engineering textbook is there by Schuler and Kargi. That is also a nice book for the numerical questions. And of course, you can give tests, like from the Findmytest there are a lot of numerical questions as well from the bioprocess engineering section. And yeah, Coming on to how to prepare general aptitude. So like for general aptitude, like there are a lot of textbooks available in the market. And so like you can purchase any one book which has like the general aptitude numericals. And also we also have in Findmytest a general aptitude section for preparation. And coming on to, they say that while studying for GATE biotechnology, we should be specific with syllabus and not go in depth study. Please tell more about how to study a topic. So, uh, I mean, like, you have to go into detail, I would say, because like after GATE biotechnology, if you want to do your masters from any IIT, you will be called for interviews. And like in interviews, like they really go into a lot of details. And obviously your rank matters, like your rank will only matter for the shortlisting. But after shortlisting, like some of the IITs, they take some uh, like written examination as well. Because in my year, in 2019, IIT Bombay took a written examination because there were a lot of candidates. So yeah, a written examination and then followed by two levels of interviews. So in the interview, they really go into detail. So while reading a specific subject or a topic from the standard textbooks, you must go into details. And the next question is, hi, I'm studying BSc Honors Biochemistry. Am I eligible for GATE Biotechnology? So for giving GATE Biotechnology, you should either be a BTech student in the final year or a MSc student. So I don't think like with after BSc Honors you can appear in GATE. And uh, Vidisha Das is asking name, please. Like, can you like elaborate this question? Like, which name are you asking? And coming on to the next question, BTech Biotech second year students, I want to ask examination pattern and brief preview of syllabus. How to choose specification in MTech and biotechnology. Okay. So examination pattern, I would say like it changes every year. Like every year there is a change in the weightage, but I would say like every year there are questions from biochemistry, molecular biology, and recombinant DNA technology, bioprocess engineering. So these are some major subjects which have a lot of weightage every year, but again it changes every year. So yeah, biochemistry also is important. Like everything is important, but like you really need to go into details of every subject, because like they can ask from anywhere. Because sometimes there are questions from cell biology as well, and some year there are no questions from cell biology, and some year they have some questions from bioinformatics, and sometimes no question from bioinformatics. So yeah, it depends upon the persons who are making the question paper, but it changes everywhere every year. And a brief preview of syllabus. So like the syllabus is hmm, a lot of subjects are there, but I would say like you must focus on first biochemistry, uh, molecular biology, recombinant DNA technology, and bioprocess engineering. Like from bioprocess engineering, you know that there are numericals. So from bioprocess engineering, there are numericals. So mainly focus on these, but I would again say to go into details. So yeah. And regarding the specification in MTech in biotechnology, so I would say like it is a very uh, confusing topic, because I was also there. There are like every IIT, it has a different field in which they offer the MTech. For example, IIT Delhi, it offers MTech in uh, biochemical engineering and biotechnology, whereas other IITs like IIT Bombay, it offers masters in biomedical engineering, and IIT Kharagpur is again biochemical engineering and biotechnology. Roorkee is bioprocess technology, and Madras offers also bioprocess engineering. So you can just go for the interview, and after getting selected, you can just check the profiles of professors, and you can see like in which project or in which field you are interested, because like you after your first year you have to work on a project for your master's thesis. So in that case it really matters the project that you are selecting. So from there you can select like which field and which topic of your project you want to go for. And next question is, completed my second year under BTech Biotechnology. How should I start from now? So from second year, I would say like it's a good time, and you can just start reading from the standard textbooks, like whatever you must be having in your regular curriculum or the syllabus of your BTech Biotechnology. So you can just start reading the books that will be available in your library. So yeah, for example, well, for biochemistry there is Leninger, and for molecular biology and genetics you can go for a book like it's called I will maybe mention the names of the books in the chat. And for general aptitude books also, I will just write in the chat. And I'm doing my MSc Bioinformatics, never touched the topic of bioprocess engineering. So is it possible to get good grip on the subject? So for the bioprocess engineering, I would say like to understand the theoretical concept or the basic concepts, like you can watch some videos on YouTube, and also we have our video lectures for that. And after that I would say you can just start with the books. As I mentioned, I will also write the book names in the chat for all the subjects. And yeah, like the main thing is us you must start preparing for the numericals. Like there are a lot of solved numericals as well and some unsolved numericals. So that is the only way to get a good grip on this bioprocess engineering.
Guys, you can take the book list which will be suggested by Rajat. Rajat, you can share the book list with us, and we will upload it on Findmytest, so so students can log in to Findmytest, and under study material
Yeah.
they can check all the list of all the books name. So we
Okay, sir.
will share in chat also, and we will upload it in website also. And guys, you can take online mock test series for a better preparation of Find My Test. We have 100 plus mock test with the topic test, subject test, and full mocks with solutions. And we have 50 plus recorded video lectures. More videos are under process. We are recording more videos. Currently, we have 50 recorded video lectures and 30 video lectures, especially recorded for general aptitude and maths. So, guys, you can take whole study material from findmytest.com at affordable rates. And if you will take any of the package just after the webinar, then you will get an additional 10% discount. Yeah, continue, Rajat.
Okay, sir. So the next question is, I just started gate preparation and I'm tensed about how will I cover whole syllabus in 6 months. So I would say like 6 months. I don't know if you can prepare. I mean, you can prepare, but at the end, your rank matters. Like if you want to do your masters from any IIT, then you have to be under 200 all India rank in order to get a good IIT. And yeah, like for the masters, there are very limited seats. And so it's very important to get a good rank. Otherwise, you will not get an IIT. And yeah, so, but yeah, you can try because like I would say like to prepare and to really get the hold of the basic concepts, you have to go through the standard textbooks that I will just mention in the chat. But yeah, like 6 months is a very short time because you also have to go through the tests and everything. So yeah. I've just mentioned some of the important books in the chat. You can just see. And coming on to the next question, I'm currently in my second year of BSc Biotechnology. How should I start preparing for exam and what subjects to focus on and other opportunities after clearing exam? As I've already told, like there are some important subjects like biochemistry, molecular biology, bioprocess engineering, and recombinant DNA technology, immunology as well. And sometimes there are questions from cell biology and microbiology and genetics as well. So like you'll have to focus on all these subjects. And talking about the other opportunities after clearing the exam. So either you can go for masters, I mean an MTech program from any IIT, or there are some IITs and also like ISC Bangalore, which offer a direct PhD program in which like if you are a BTech student, you can get a direct PhD. And for MSc biotechnology students, they can get like PhD position in the ISC Bangalore or any other IIT. So that is also one option. Regarding other opportunities, like you can some of the research institutes like the institutes from CSIR net, like they prefer CSIR net score, but sometimes there are some positions for project assistants or a junior research fellow. So sometimes they also take gate scores, so you can also apply there. And you can get some experience uh, wherein you will be able to work on a specific topic or for a specific project. So that is one possibility. And yeah, like either you go for masters or a junior research fellow or a PhD. So whatever you prefer, you can choose. And could you please tell us how you tackle the busy schedule and preparation for GATE Biotechnology? So I would say like how I prepared is like after the classes, after the regular classes which were in my institute. So after that, I used to just go to the library and study different textbooks which were available in the library that I've mentioned, like all the textbooks that I've mentioned here, like I've read all of them. And like all of them were available in my library, but I don't know if they will be available. But you can like get an ebook of these textbooks like on the internet, like the soft copy is always available. So you have to just first start with these books so that you and like as you can see, they are from foreign authors, but like they are really very easy to understand and written in a very simple and easy language, which like anyone can understand. So yeah, you can just start with these books, and after that you can just go for the test series. And yeah, that will help you to build your confidence. So, but like first you have to start with these books because then only you can get hold of concepts and the basic knowledge of what these subjects are all about, because that would mainly help you after you clear your gate exam and when you appear for the interviews at different IITs. So at that time it will really help you. Coming on to the cutoff and average marks to get a good IIT. So like this I cannot comment because it changes every year depending upon how tough the paper was. And I mean, how tough the paper was and how many candidates appeared and how many candidates performed better than you. So it depends upon that, but mainly the cutoff, like it's 100 marks paper, and the cutoff varies from 30 to 40 marks. But like even if you clear the cutoff, like you will not get a good rank. I mean, to get a good rank, like you have to score more than 80 marks to get a good rank, like under 100 or something. But that depends upon the difficulty level of paper and how many students have appeared and how they have performed in the exam. Yeah. And in order to get a good IIT, if you talk about the top seven IITs, you have to be, I mean, I don't know what trend is now, but you have to be under 150 All India rank if you want to get, because the seventh IIT, that is IIT Guwahati, it has like it calls the students up to 150 All India rank. So yeah. And after that also, like it all depends upon your interview, because that is not a guarantee like you will get it or not, because there will be for sure like a lot of competition. So rank is just to get you through the shortlisting. After that, it all depends upon your interview. So there are personal interviews in which you will be tested based on your conceptual and theoretical knowledge, and how many hours we have to devote for gate preparation, because I'm a college student, how to manage both academics as well as gate. So I mean, you uh, for the number of hours, like it doesn't matter until or unless you are able to complete a specific topic. For example, you can make a timetable for every month in which you can, for each day you can select how much topic and how many subjects you can have to cover, and you just have to cover those topics and just get a basic and theoretical knowledge. So number of hours doesn't matter, but how focused and how concentration you are putting during the studies, that matter. But yeah, like you have to manage both the academics as well as gate. Like you have to study after your classes get over, you have to devote proper time to gate. In my college they offer both BSc program 3 year and honors 4 year. What would be better to do? So for the college, like you can do any one that you like, because like BSc is generally for 3 year, and after that, if you want to go for an MSc, then 3 year would always be better, because like you have to do MSc to be able to appear for GATE. So yeah, does PYQs play a significant role? I mean, yes, like they have included these questions recently, but like they don't carry much weightage. But like you must prepare for these as well. And every IIT MTech admission interview. For the I don't understand the question, but yeah, like not all IITs have an MTech interview. Some of the IITs select you on the basis of your rank if it is under 50. Then some IITs like Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee, because I got a direct admission in IIT Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee based on my rank, it was 23. So I don't know how much, but yeah, if you have it under 50 or under 40, then you can get a direct admission in some of the IITs. And yeah, of course, IIT Guwahati you can get. Could you please tell your journey, how you move forward after class 12th? Uh, I don't know how much time we have. Maybe will over soon, but I mean, yeah, after 12th, I gave my JEE mains, and yeah, I got an NIT, and I decided to pursue my BTech in biotechnology, and there I've studied, and I wanted to pursue my master's from IIT. So I decided to start preparing for the gate from my second year. So yeah, coming on to the next question, is there a difference between CSIR net and gate preparation? So for the CSIR net, the syllabus is, I would say, more vast. I mean, there are a lot of subjects and a lot of theoretical subjects, I would say, like not much numerical type subjects, but yeah, more of a theoretical subjects. So for GATE, I would say you have to prepare some numerical subjects that are there, like the thermodynamics, bioprocess engineering, instrumentation, process engineering. So there are a lot of numerical type uh, subjects that you have to prepare for. Otherwise, in CSIR net, mainly there are theoretical subjects like botany, zoology, and everything. So it's more vast, and like it is more suitable for the BSc and MSc candidates because they are taught almost all of these subjects in their curriculum. Whereas in the BTech biotechnology curriculum, you are mainly taught the subjects that are there in the GATE syllabus. So yeah.
Okay, Rajat. So I think students raised all the questions. I think now no more questions. So let's end the meeting and thank you so much, Rajat, for giving your valuable time.
Thank you, sir.
And guys, if you have any question, then just ping us on WhatsApp 9509939058 or visit findmytest.com for mock test series and video lectures. Thank you so much. All the best and best wishes for GATE 2025.